What Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13. Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakrin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Inna Allaha alimun khabir. O humankind, we have created you from a single pair of male and female and have divided you into nations and tribes so that you shall recognize each other, not that you shall despise each other. And the most honor in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the person who has taqwa. The criteria for judgment is not caste, it's not color, it's not wealth, it's not sex, but it is taqwa. It is God consciousness, it is righteousness, it is piety. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 70, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. We have honored all the children of Adam. Whether you're born in a Hindu family or Christian family or Muslim family, if you're a Bani Adam, if you're a human being, you have been honored. In Islam, all human beings are equal. The only way you can be superior is by taqwa. It's by God consciousness. It's by piety. It's by righteousness.